What's up guys, Dark Roast here with my boy Carlos. We're going to be doing a sound comparison video of my 2015 Kawasaki Z1000 with the stock header pipes with the catalytic converter and without it. Here we go. Alright, here is the Yoshi pipe with the stock headers with the catalytic converter. Start it up. Alright, so here is the sound of the Chinese eBay header kit without the catalytic converter. So here we go. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.